Jamaicans don't play. When it comes to track and field, it's a whole nother level. So you can imagine my shock and dismay when I wake up this morning and I hear that Nesta Carter tests positive for drugs. Excuse? Who's Nesta Carter? Not Jamaica's Nesta Carter. Anyways, I didn't panic. That's not my style. Instead, I went and did some research. And the first thing that jumped out to me was that whatever substance this one, methylhexanamine, didn't go on the banned substance list until 2010. The sample that they're testing for Nesta was from 2008. Why? Why? Because they say that meth is the same as this one. Well, similar, Terrell. Now, similar and the same are two different things. And WADA doesn't tell you how similar it needs to be. So is it 1% similarity, 2% similarity, 3, 4, 5, 10 billion teen similarities that will incur a sanction? They don't tell you. Why all of a sudden as well? I really have questions. We're now in 2016. This is a 2008 sample. So he won that medal, and from your winner medal, you're getting tested. So he won the medal, got tested, got cleared, right? Because if it was on the list at the time, there would have been a big hubbubaloo. So he's got cleared, and now them come back again in 2016 and want to test over that sample for a substance that was never on the banned list in 2008. How this add up? I know my math's not that good, but it just not spelling sense. What could possibly be their motivation? For me, I'll talk it out loud. It's because it's Team Jamaica. Everybody keeps denying that we're public enemy number one. And you see, when you are the ones to beat, people will think of every single way to try and beat you. It's an Olympic year. It's too much of a coincidence to me. If I was like Nesta, I wouldn't have given them that B sample. I would have taken this straight to the court of arbitration. I would have said, listen, I got a budget for the lawyer, though, and just, you have to speak to my lawyer. I'm not sending you any B sample because this makes no sense. I really hope that Nesta has people with sense around him who are going to fight for him, because this is bigger than Nesta. When you see BBC Sports going to report Usain Bolt might lose medal because of doping, and it's not even Usain, but yes, he was on the relay team during the Olympics. So when you look at it, they just want a crack. That's all they want, just a crack to say that the Jamaican team is doping, so that them can just blow it through the water and say that is how we win. But no drugs not around here. And I can only hope that our media will stick up for our athletes. So instead of just copying BBC's headline or just regurgitating whatever article they send out, do your research and see when they're unfairly accusing our athletes of doping and substance abuse. Because hear me out and hear me out well, my best case scenario right now is if all when Olympics come, we just sweep them and make them head hurt them for another couple of years, because that is exactly what's happening right now. Team Jamaica, all the